This podcast introduces you to top 10 habits to make you more successful in life. Just remember one thing: determination is the master key to success. If you are determined to follow the steps with complete attention, success will be yours one day. Let's start with habit number 1. Understanding time. The secret to all success lies in seconds, minutes, and hours. If you spend your time doing the things you want and love, you get the things that you want and love. But here is the catch. You don't need to force yourself to manage your time. We mean, stop getting excessive goals from day one. Keep it simple and focus on the priorities. You can note every day's priorities on your phone's notepad for a quick reminder, and slowly you will get better at managing your time. Even if you are doing a job, you can follow a simple schedule. Habit number 2. Doing some movement. The two big health challenges are none other than poor nutrition and lack of exercise. If you can start eating 1% healthy and tasty every day, your energy levels will be different. Also, exercising, walking, or doing yoga keeps you in the active state and prevents you from various health issues. Number 3. Guided meditation. A challenging task requires a strong mind, and mental strength comes with some level of calmness. It is always powerful to give thoughts a 5-minute break and get into a guided meditation. Thankfully, YouTube has many guided meditations for you, and we have made 2 videos on this, link in the iCard. Number 4. Relearning. What is that? We may spend time learning new skills, hobbies, and lessons for growth, but nothing is more important than relearning. Sometimes, we have to think and understand things differently. For example, rather than reading a book page by page, you can follow the important chapters and note some points from them. See? You can create your own style of learning, right? Number 5. Following the CPC method. CPC means choice, practice, and consistency. These are the seeds of success. They take you towards success at a very fast pace. So choose what you want to do. Practice that regularly with all your heart and energy. Stay consistent and patient throughout the process. 2 things will happen. First, you will learn from your mistakes. Second, you will become better than before. And these 2 qualities help you to become a successful person. Habit number 6. Building empathy. Emotion is the bridge between people. If you can feel the other person's feelings, you can connect better. That's how businesses connect with their customers, right? It's simple. You can feel the pain or pleasure behind someone's actions or thoughts. Habit number 7. Adding free time. Isn't it true that overwork leads to overstress? We don't realize that until the problem comes. Of course, you have goals to follow, but taking rests in between is equally important for your body and mind. Number 8. Smartphone use minimizer. This habit is all about using your smartphone 1% better every day. Let's say, if you are spending 10 hours on social media today, spend 9 hours tomorrow, then 8 hours day after tomorrow, or you just use it lesser than yesterday. See, it's a simple yet powerful way to minimize smartphone addiction. You're not forcing anything, but you are taking little steps toward betterment, and that's what matters. Habit number 9. Saying thank you. How many times do we say thank you when we buy something from a shopkeeper or when somebody does something good to us? It's a simple way to feel better and make others feel better too. You don't have to say thank you everywhere, but whenever you feel it's possible, say it. Also, Feel thankful for the things you have in life. That is also powerful. Habit number 10. Stable energy. Overexcitement and overstress are both dangerous. Between the two options is what we call stability. This habit will make you take bigger decisions in a calm way. So implant the idea of stable in your mind regularly to feel the balance of energy inside you. And you will feel it. That's a promise. Habit number 11. Sharing. Whether it's sharing thoughts, ideas, tiffin or money, it's a powerful way to feel the unity between everyone. The more you share, the better you feel. It's like sharing the goodness that you already have to the world. You can also share your skill or experience to add value to someone's life. Habit number 12. Laughter. This little habit has a big impact on your life. Smiling, laughing, or feeling better improves your mood and keeps the stress away. Another way to beat stress is being more solution-oriented and less complaining. Habit number 13. Financial planning. Here are 2 things to prioritize in life. 1. Money making. 2. Money investing. To make money, you focus on your skills, start a job or business, gain some experience and find more passive income sources. For financial savings and investments, you can watch various finance-related videos on YouTube. Also, don't forget about life insurance for the earning member and health insurance for your family members. Habit number 14. Choosing your focus. Let's face it, difficult times come to everyone's life. We know that. So when you have a verbal fight with someone or feel low because of someone's criticism, get more solution-oriented. Understand that these negative thoughts may come again and again, and the more we focus on them, the more negative we feel. Here is the solution. Let them come and go now. Sometimes you may get involved, but give maximum attention to your life's better choices, the people you love, the books you read, the work you do, and the life you live. Slowly, the negative thoughts will lose their power. Habit number 15. More interest in process. Whatever you do in life, you can get better results only when your process is right. The more you work on the process, the better your results get. So change your habit from worrying about the results to working for the process. And after that, you can measure the results to see if your process is right. Also, it is important to have patience as good things take time. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this podcast episode, and we have more content in the form of playlist, link in the iCard. Share these episodes with your loved ones if you want them to have a positive listening experience. Thank you so much, and let life shine bright.